Hi class, my name is Siham and this screencast is gonna be about two brand names, Puma and Visvens. I have chosen two well-known brands that deal with similar line of products. Both brands deal with sportswear products, although Vans focus on products related to skateboarders. Puma is a brand name and for a long time has been one of the leading brands competing with Adidas and Nike, but experienced a setback that led to the company making losses. They adopted celebrities to endorse or partner with them so as to boost the brand's awareness. The brand strategy between the two companies make all the difference. Puma was once a successful company, but the lack of an appropriate branding strategy has made the company lose the competitive edge among other competitors like Nike, Adidas, Vans, among others. Comparing the two, Vans is more customer-oriented in terms of interactivity. Puma was use targeted marketing but fails to build proper connection and interaction with their target market. Vans maintain their image in and out of manufacturing, giving them a market advantage because they represent their customers in and out of business. Additionally, Vans has diversified into producing other products that increase their customer base. On the other hand, Puma has failed to reinvent themselves according to the changing times, pushing them behind of brands that were at the same level as them. They also support sports events linked to the older generation. Puma has the proper resources to diversify their products. If they do so, they could end up on top again and make profit that go beyond the yearly project. They can introduce products that attract the youth and continue to use celebrities to endorse their products. Puma has been operational for a longer period than Vans. Additionally, the availability of proper resources is an added advantage for the company. With adoption of proper branding strategy, the company can realize more profit. As for Vans, they can pump more fans into the business so as to increase their production to match top brands like Nike and Adidas. The USA government is looking to boost local production, and most industries should take advantage of this to aid in boosting their production and distribution. The organization can have better use of technology in their companies, especially since the government aid in researching better manufacture producers and improve technology. Not only will the business prosper locally but internationally, as they will be able to apply modern technology to yield good quality products at no cost. Thank you for your time. It's been a wonderful experience and see you next time.